So after hearing that verse, then Rupa Goswami went and got some palm leaves. When he went back to his, like we open our notebook and we write something in our notebook. So he got some palm leaves, opened his trunk and took out some palm leaves, and immediately etched on those palm leaves with a metal stylus. Priyasoyam Krishna Sahachari Kurushetra Militas Tataham Saradha Taridam Ubaya Sangamasukam Tatapyanta Kelan Madhura Murali Panchamajushe Madhura Murali Panchamajushe Manome Kalindi Pulina Manome Kalindi Pulina Vipanaya Sprihayati Yamuna Pulina, there's some bhajan, Yamuna Pulina, you know? Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Yamuna Pulina. Pulina means the banks of. So Rupa Goswami, it's the same thing. He's talking about a river. In the love poem it talks about the Reva River, and it talks about Chaitra Mas, and it talks about, so here he's talking about Kalindi, and he's talking about, and in this love poem the lover's talking, oh now I see my present lover, he's my husband. But I want to see him when he was not my husband. I want to be with him when he's not my husband. So now who is the lover in Rupa Goswami's poem? Radharani. And where are they meeting? Are they meeting in their house because they're married? No. They're meeting in Kurukshetra Militas. Priya Soyam Krishna Sahachari Kurukshetra Militas. So Krishna's there in a Sahachari. Sahachari means the gopis. Saha means with all his gopis. Krishna's there, all the gopis, but where? In Kurukshetra. So when Radharani sees Krishna in Kurukshetra, then she thinks, oh, Anta Kelan Madhura Murali Panchamajushe. She says, Mano me Kalindi Pulina Vipanaya Spriyati. I'm seeing Dwarkadish. And somebody says he's Rukmini Nath. I don't know. He's my Shyam Sundar. He's my Giridhari, he's my Damodar, he's my Mukunda, he's my Priyatam. And now he's in royal vesh with all gold and big crown. There's no Vamshi here, there's no Murali here. So that's why she's longing. Anta Kelan, inside her mind she wants to play. Inside her heart, Antakaran, inside her mind, inside her heart. Radharani is externally Radharani is at Kurukshetra, but she's taking darshan of Krishna and she's thinking, Anta Kelan Madhura Murali Panchamajushe. I'm seeing this, I'm the same lover, and this is my same beloved, but this place is not the same, and the circumstance is not the same. Kaladesham Patra. It's all viparita. It's all upside down. So in my mind, I want to hear that Murali, that Madhura Murali Panchama Jushe.